Hey guys, in this video I'll be mentioning some of the best compact and mini devices of 2025. These devices are very small, very compact and comfortable to use, and of course a lot of them support 5G connectivity and are equipped with really nice specs, and of course they are very affordable. If you know any mini rugged phone, any compact tiny rugged phone that you feel deserve to be in this video but isn't mentioned in this video, then feel free to comment. Share them in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's quickly explore some of the best compact and mini devices of 2025. So the Unihertz Titan 2 is powered by the Dimensity 7300 5G octa-core processor paired with 12 GB of RAM and a massive 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Running on the latest Android 15, the Titan 2 is built for longevity and security. Powering the device is a 5050 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging, so you stay connected longer without frequent recharging. Camera wise, the Titan 2 packs a 50MP main sensor and an 8MP telephoto lens with 3.4x zoom, and it has a 32MP front facing camera for selfies and video calls. The device is 10.8mm thick and it weighs 235 grams with the battery included, giving it a solid durable feel in hand. On the display front, it features a 4.5-inch main screen with a high resolution of 1440 by 1440 pixels, giving you a sharp and square viewing experience. There's also a 2-inch sub display with 410 by 502 resolution, which is perfect for quick glances at time, notifications or controls. Other features of the Titan 2 includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS and other essential navigation systems are supported. The device is also packed with sensors including a fingerprint sensor, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, G-sensor, gyroscope proximity and the others. It also features NFC, IR blaster, USB and OTG support, a loudspeaker and even an FM radio. So these are the top features of the Unihertz Titan 2. So the Armor Mini 20 Pro is a rugged smartphone that packs a punch despite its compact size. Featuring a 4.7-inch HD Plus display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, it is expected to offer a vibrant and responsive viewing experience. One of its standout features is its versatile LED light, which can be used as an emergency warning light in various modes. This is particularly useful for outdoor activities or in emergency situations. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 handles performance and demanding tasks with ease. The device also has 8GB RAM and it has 256GB internal storage, which provides plenty of storage for apps, photos and videos. The camera setup of this device is quite impressive. It features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor, and it is the Samsung GN1 CMOS sensor for capturing stunning photos even in low light conditions. The other sensor is a 64MP night vision camera that allows you to capture clear images in complete darkness. And as for selfies, the device features a 32MP front camera that is expected to deliver detailed and vibrant shots. Keeping you powered up is a large 6200 mAh battery that supports 33 watts fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging. This ensures you can spend less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying your device. The device has a thickness of 24.9mm and it weighs 301 grams. You also get NFC for contactless payments, an IR blaster for controlling compatible devices, and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless connections. Built to withstand the elements, the Armor Mini 20 Pro is IP68 and IP69K rated for dust and water resistance, and it's also military grade standard 810H certified for durability. This makes it ideal for outdoor adventures or tough work environments. Additional features include Android 14 for a modern and intuitive user experience, glove mode, side fingerprint sensor and Face ID for convenient unlocking, NFC for contactless payments like I mentioned earlier, and OTG for connecting external devices. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Armor Mini 20 Pro. As you can see, it's a powerful, compact 5G rugged phone that offers a powerful performance, impressive camera capabilities, and a long-lasting battery. It's a great choice for those who need a reliable device that can withstand the demands of their active lifestyle. Well, as regarding price, the device is expected to be sold for around $300 when it is officially released. The release date, I don't know yet, but I'm expecting it to be before the end of the month. So feel free to share your thoughts about the Armor Mini 20 Pro in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out. So the Fire 3 Ultra is 17.8mm thick and weighs 290 grams. The device houses a massive 8350 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support and reverse charging support. The phone is powered by the Unihertz T7200 octa-core processor, clocked at 1.6 GHz, and it's built on a 12nm process. It's not really powerful, but is expected to deliver efficient and responsive performance. And the phone runs on the Android 15 OS. I don't think it's going to get the Android 16. It's most likely stuck with the Android 15 operating system, guys. The phone has a compact 5.5-inch IPS HD Plus display with 400 nits peak brightness and a resolution of 720 by 1440 pixels, and comes with wideband L1 support for HD streaming. Now you get 6 GB of RAM with up to 18 GB VRAM support and a spacious 256 GB internal storage with support for up to 2 TB via microSD. For photography, the device packs a 16MP AI main camera and a 20MP night vision sensor at its rear, and an 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. Now, security features includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock support. Other highlights include NFC with Google Pay, a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is very nice, and top-tier durability with IP68, IP69K, and military-grade standard 810H ratings. And as I mentioned earlier, the device is sold for $250. So you get all of this for just $250. So these are the top features of the Doogee Fire 3 Max. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. It has a thickness of 18.4mm and is going to weigh about 208 grams. The device will be running on the Android 13 with Blackview's custom skin on top. And as for the display, it's going to be a 4.3-inch display with a 60Hz refresh rate, and the display is going to be protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Helio G99, which means this device may be small, but it's going to be a performance beast. Paired with the Helio G99 is 8GB of RAM, and the device would pack a 256 GB internal storage. The device supports RAM expansion of up to 8 GB, and the internal storage could be expanded via SD as well. The battery capacity is 3880 mAh, and it supports 18 watts fast charging. Many other compact devices also have small batteries, which is how it should be. The 3880 mAh battery isn't expected to last for up to 2 days, but it still would be able to last for at least a day on a single charge. Now, in the camera department, the device has a dual rear camera setup with a 48MP primary sensor, and in the front is a 16MP selfie. Now, this compact device is a rugged device. It is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military standard 810H certified, which means this device could survive being submerged in water. It is also dust resistant. Now, other features of this phone includes GPS, dual 4G SIM slots. It supports NFC, Wi-Fi 5, gyroscope, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, and so on. So these are the top features and specs and price of the Blackview N6000. If you'd like to share anything about this compact smartphone, then feel free to use the comment section below. So there we have it, guys, some of the best compact rugged phones of 2025. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Now, have in mind that these are just some of the best compact rugged phones around. There are still tons of mini smartphones out there that I'll be mentioning in future videos, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.